then, or what? Ready, yeah? Oi! You ready? Yeah. Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today it's quite an exciting one. We're off to Squires Cafe, but we've got a good few of us here. We've got me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think we've got 6 of us, 7 of us, coming through like gridlock start at TT Island, man. This is where we all get separated. Oh, this is fantastic. Look at us all! Oh, this is great. Oh. Oh my god! Like I say, there's like 7 of us, because we all agreed in the Discord group that I've got going on that we're available for a little ride out, so I thought, right, let's just go to Squires. For people local to me, you'll know what I'm talking about right now, but we met at the Nando's at Birstall. Look at us all. Another biker! This is fantastic, and this is only 7 of us. Go on. Exhaust. As you can tell, I'm just gonna have a mix of talking in this video as well as just like watch me ride. Oh, it just looks so funny. There's only 7 of us and it looks like there's a lot more. This is why I'm laughing, because it just looks funny. It's good weather for it, to be fair. It's one of them where it's not too hot, although saying that, it's very humid, but it's also not cold. Look at us all. Just a reminder to everyone, if you do want to join the Discord and possibly join us on our next ride out, we'll probably, just to make sure, probably even be more of us next time, because we're getting more and more members join every single week. We're up to like 90 odd members now, which is crazy. But I'll leave the link to the group in the description. On the grom, I'll be very surprised if we all manage to get out here. Oh, saying that, come on lady, get a move on. Oh my god, look at that dog. Oh my god, that's a nice bike, that. Wow. Some good news has come from today for me. I passed the bike theory test, so that means now, whenever I can bloody afford it, I'll go do my A2, which is fantastic. Obviously your theory lasts 2 years before it runs out if you don't go to your next licence in that time, so more than enough time in it, 2 whole years to get my next A2 licence, which I can't wait for, to be honest. But I'm also loving my 125, I really am, and I think that's the last thing I want to do, you know, like rush up to a bigger bike without even mastering the fundamentals, so to speak, on the lower engine bikes. In terms of the next bike I want to get on my A2 licence is definitely a KTM 790 Duke. I do want to stick with KTM because I just love KTMs, and I'm rooting for that partnership one day, so KTM, if you're seeing this, yeah, sponsor me please. This is why I love coming to Squires. There's yet another brother. See if he nods his head. I saw a tiny little nod there. We're on a big nice open road now. It's all lined up, so we should be good. Speaking of the A2 licence, actually, I rang up my the training school near me where I did my CBT, and they said it'd be £600 all in to obviously get a few lessons, book the test and hire their bike out, which, is that me or is it just not bad at all? Like, if you Google it, to be fair, it does say anywhere between like 600 and 1,000 plus, but I think 600 quid's pretty bang on, to be fair. The next ultimate question is, where on earth are we going to bloody park at this place? Because it's probably even, and you know, it's oh, as a bit of a new rider, it's a bit scary going past all these extremely valuable, beautiful bikes on a little 125, thinking, just have your clutch control bang on for once. We should, I'm hoping, be able to just fit him right at the back, right at the top. What's that? Back to the Future or something? Wait up, what are you doing? Have we all got lost again? No, we're going back now, we're back at sound. Oh! Another brother. There's some mint bikes at Squires, man, like Jesus Christ. 5 minutes to go. I tell you something, I do love the roundabouts on the way to Squires. You can get a little bit of a lean going on. It just feels quite nice. And for a new rider like myself, practicing the leans is something I really want to do. Have you been to Squires before? Let me know in the comments. And if you have, are you local to it, or do you have to trek a little bit far? For me, I mean, I'm based in Bradford, and obviously Squires is like, what, classed as North Leeds, I think. So it's about, give or take, about a 50-minute drive, obviously, without motorways, that is, because of my my little 125. Or should I say my little CBT, actually, which is weird to think you could go on the motorway on a 125. Like that terrifies me, to be honest with you. Oh God. Oh dearie me, the thought of me having to pull in first. Although to be fair, I think I'd like to pull in first thinking about it, because I can find a parking spot and just be like, yeah, sound, that's me. Oh my God. What is going on? Oh, this is funny. I think we all know where we're going now, as you can tell. Right, we're literally turning right in 2 minutes. It's literally down the road. We've all made it. Saying that, don't want to jinx anything. Just feel a little twist and turn is coming up. Watch you, blue Skoda. Right, this is going to be interesting. Squires is always even. It's just whether I can get a parking spot. Oh dear me, a lot going on here, isn't there? Interesting. Here we are. So don't drop my bike. I would literally go home and never ever ever leave my house ever again. Alright turnout, isn't it? There's a few here. Yeah. You sure it won't cut your hearing viewers or mine? I know, sometimes I thought I was seeing reason. He was saying, oh, your sound's alright. I tell you something, it is well hot. I'm sweating, man. Yeah, isn't it? Meaty. Look at that. The Krapovich. Honda CB, that is awesome, that, mate. CB 650 maybe. Looks class. Yeah, it was decent, wasn't it? I should have kept my sat nav up so you could have dropped back. It was so much better at the back. Wasn't it? You can actually see people properly. One of the more common ones. You know what, them bowls because they're not too loud, but they're a very nice sound.
Te convocou, talvez senta ou com popô. O mano te convocou, talvez senta com popô. É vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo no setor, é vapo, vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo do vapor, vai tomar vapo do vapor. Vapo, vapo do vapor, vai tomar.
It's been a decent ride out today, to be fair, although it's been very, very warm. Met some good people, you know, met some new biker buddies. No cars coming, is there? Oh no, my bad, my bad. Quite a policeman. Just want to have a quick moment to say thank you to everybody who did come out on this ride today. I thought it's gone really well, to be fair. Windy, innit? Yeah. Jesus! So I think the GoPro cut recording because it died, so I just want to quickly say, because somehow it's like spawned with some new battery, but thank you for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, please like, subscribe, everything like that, it means a lot. And don't forget, join the Discord if you're in or around Yorkshire and you could maybe be featured in the next ride out, make it on a YouTube video maybe. So yeah, nice one guys, see you in the next one.